for them to come in now without a basic understanding of letters and sounds and numbers, it puts them at such a disadvantage.
Right now at 5:30, more on early childhood education in Pennsylvania. We're constantly being told that kids do better in school if there is some sort of education before kindergarten. But in economically depressed areas like the Shenango Valley, many families simply cannot afford it. As 27 First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti tells us, local leaders in Sharon are hoping the governor's proposed budget can help.
You might say these kids are the lucky ones. They're enrolled at the Zion Education Center in Sharon, one of 19 certified high-quality pre-K education programs in Mercer County. But according to a group called Pre-K for PA, of the roughly 1,450 3- and 4-year-olds in Mercer County, nearly half have no access to early childhood education.
That's a pretty substantial number of children who are starting our kindergarten classrooms with very little in the way of learning the alphabet, their numbers, or just the socialization skills.
Director April Torrance started working in early child development in 1995 when she started an in-home daycare operation watching half a dozen kids. But with 70% of the families in Sharon living in poverty, funding from the state to pay for programs like this is crucial.
When we lost 95% of our state funding in 2011, I had to eliminate 7 staff and 25 high-quality pre-K slots.
Zion now receives funding to pay for 15 children. In Governor Tom Wolf's proposed budget, an additional $75 million would be set aside for early education. Torrance says she'd like to obtain enough to enroll 5 more kids.
We want to reach as many families as we can, especially within walking distance, to come to the facility and receive a high-quality education.
But Pre-K for PA claims 31 more classrooms like this are needed just to care for the kids with no other access in Mercer County. Supporters of the governor's budget plan say the extra funding would cover another 8,400 youngsters like this across the Commonwealth. In Sharon, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.